Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to speed up your Android phone. So, to do that, just go to your settings of your phone, then click or tap About Phone. And in here, go to Software Information. And then find Build Number. Just tap the build number until you see the developer option is activated. So if it's turned on, then go back and find the developers option. After you see the developers option, just tap on it and scroll down until you see the window animation scale. Just put 0.5 and transition animation scale 0.5 also. And that's how to speed up your Android phone. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.